Hi, welcome back, fellow folks and professional students. It's been a long time going on live for video. So, what is the topic today? Let me explain you. Let's learn display preceding document control in the sales document type definition in S4 HANA 2021, S1709, whatever the version you take. Okay, let's try to learn this topic today. Okay, so let me move ahead. So before that, I would like to have a request. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my Udemy forum. Currently, I'm holding 6,500 and plus students. And this is my top course, top-notch course, 114 hours, with 433 lectures. And I specifically recommend these two courses. You can able to get into that. One is for idoc and getting master to write functional specification. And all these are the different courses, S4 HANA business processes and BP, different courses available at my end. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you like it, you can subscribe it. Okay. So let me get into the topic. So first go to the sales document type definition, what we have. I just copied OR as DOR for my convenience. So if you try to check here, there is display preceding document. Okay, let's discuss about this field today. What exactly this control is all about. Okay, so first, before that, okay, let me show you. Okay, so generally, what is the preceding document? Okay, suppose you are created a quotation for quotation preceding document is inquiry. You are created a sales order for that preceding documents will be your inquiry and quotation. So quotation will exactly the preceding document, back to back document. Suppose if you create a delivery preceding document is sales order. But this control works at sales document type level, not delivery and billing, because this is sales document type definition. Okay. What is display preceding document? How it will be useful? In what sense? From when you compare with the ECC S4 HANA, will bring back this field um, for benefit of the customers actually. So first, you understood what is the preceding documents. If this tick is, if this control is not on, okay, how the things work, let me show you. Let me try to create a quotation. This is the same thing work for your outline agreements, contract reference also. Probably you can test that later. So let's try to create a quotation first. So if this is not on, if this is not on means it will work exactly. Okay, pre-doc test. And keep this and let me take this the material. Suppose if I'm taking the quantity and this is what is all about. Generally, what happens? So it will read item level. There is a tab called additional A. Is there right? In the sales A tab, sorry. In sales A tab, it will read this. Now it is disabled, right? So the preceding document information, if you look at this reference and preceding document, generally what happens if it is inquiry, the inquiry information will be displayed in quotation. Instead of checking in document flow, you can directly check here. What is the basic advantage? If I check, if I tick that mark, the information I can able to read it. Let me show you with a good example. So now it is displayed then. Okay. So let me check. It is asking about incomplete log. Okay. So this is, I'm just taking some value. It's not important because I haven't set up my pricing till now. Let's save the quotation. Okay. When you save the quotation, okay, go to the VA23. So VA23. So you can check here. So the control won't seek any information for your sales tab. It will be as it is. Okay. With reference to that, for example, if I am creating a sales order, okay, you can able to on that field if you how you want it. Okay. Let me show you here. So before that, I'll take a reference. So generally we'll take a reference of the preceding document. Quotation, this is 56. That's what we have created now. So let's copy this data. So now if you tick that mark, okay, I'm just giving the pre-information. If you tick that mark, you can able to see, I didn't tick. That's why it is not able to see any information itself, like original document and the document reference. These are the two fields it is not showing, but quotation it is ticked. So just now, before you only have on that field, that's why it is not showing anything. Okay. So this is the case. So order created. If you go in display mode also, you will not see those fields in sales here tab. Okay. So let me try to do the work here. Suppose your customer has a requirement like it has to show, but what are all the basic advantage with this? So what is the, basic advantage? Let me explain you. Okay. So we'll see the advantages later. Let's check how the functionality works. If you come here, DOR, okay. So if you look at this, this is the, so like where it is on the top. Okay. It is in general control section. Okay. Let's on this. Now let's see the situation, how it works. Okay. So this is the feature, they brought it back. I don't know EHP future, EHP advanced versions and latest version they have or not, but S4 HANA, it is available, this functionality, 100% sure. So now let's go to the VAT1. Okay, is all about your quotation. So quotation is preceding document for my sales order. So let's try to check this. Okay, stay for quantity. So let's go to the my pricing. I didn't set up. It is nowhere related to this since it is coming as incomplete law. Okay. So let's save this. Okay, we have saved the quotation. So for quotation, if you check, it will not be filled. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, but quotation, you don't have any preceding document information. If you look at this, you don't have this information is not filled. But I'm just taking this one for my sales order with reference. Okay. So let's go for quotation reference. This is 57. Just now we have created. Now let's see the fun with this. Okay. So now if I click an item level, okay, now it is not showing on save original document. Now you see the reference document. B is what? Your document category for quotation. If it is inquiry A, C is for sales order. Okay, like that, it is going to display that one also to find a reference. It has its own advantages. I will explain you. So just save this one. Okay. So what is immediately happens for the sales order? So the information is filled actually here. Okay. So the original document is this one. With this document only we have taken the reference. Okay. So you got it out. It might be saved in header. You go and check. Nothing is there. Only it is given for item sales here tab. Okay. So what is the basic advantage with this? Okay. The first thing is that, for example, okay. So you are developing any G report, okay, or else you would like to display in your output form, okay. You can give directly reference of these two fields, original document and reference document, in your output. What do you call output development? Right? NAS output development, output determination. So if it is the case, if you go back to the ECC, what we use to do it? Okay. So we are going through document flow and finding the document number. Certain times it's a laborious process and a lot of development should be involved. But it's simple. If you tell that, they can able to directly read from this preceding document information. They can able to display in output forms and your report development. These are the two advantages with this. Okay. So why I'm telling you, experienced people know about this one, but still I'm adding my knowledge. So like, the beginner also should understand how the SAP works. Okay. So I think, thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. And I have few courses. I'm just providing those links below of this video. If you really like it, you can subscribe my courses. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.